Hello children, in this audio I will take up the lesson Reach for the Top Part 1. So children, we all are aware of the names like Kapil Dev, Dhoni, Saina Nehwal and Sania Mirza. We know of them because the sport they play interests us and they are the best at what they do. But very few of us would have heard the names Malawat Purna, Premlata Agarwal, Arunima Sinha and Santosh Yadav. Who are these women? They're all women who have scaled the formidable Mount Everest. The chapter, Reach for the Top, deals with one such personality, Santosh Yadav, and I'm going to tell you all about her. Let me begin with the most amazing fact about her. In 1992, she was the only woman in the world who had scaled Mount Everest twice. Recently, we had another woman, Anshu Jamsenpa, who has become the only woman to scale Mount Everest twice in 5 days. Santosh Yadav's family. She was born in a small village of Joniawas of Rewari district in Haryana, where a son was regarded as a blessing and a daughter, though not considered a curse, was not very welcome. When her mother was expecting, a holy man who was giving blessings assumed that she wanted a son, but surprisingly, her grandmother told him that they did not want a son. Santosh was born the 6th child in the family of 5 sons. She was different. Though the meaning of her name was contentment, she was not content with her place in a traditional way of life. She preferred wearing shorts to Indian dresses. She was convinced that if she chose the rational and correct path, others around her would have to change. Her schooling. She belonged to a well-to-do, affluent family who could easily afford to send their children to the best of schools. But the customs and traditions of that time forced her to do schooling in a local village school. However, she waited patiently till the time she turned 16. This was the age where girls would generally be married off, but she threatened her parents that she would first complete her education, else she would never marry. She left home and enrolled in a school in Delhi. When her parents refused to pay her fee, she politely informed them of her plans to earn money by working part-time. Such was her determination. College and initiation into mountaineering. Santosh passed her high school and went to Jaipur to join Maharani College. From her room in Kasturba Hostel, she could see villagers climbing up the hill, and she decided she needed to check it out. She found some mountaineers who gave her permission to join them. After that, there was no looking back. She further enrolled herself into a course in the Nehru Institute of Mountaineering at Uttarkashi without the consent of her father. Apology letter to father. Her college semester in Jaipur was ending in April, but it ended on 19th May and she was supposed to be in Uttarkashi on 21st May. So she decided against going home and headed straight for her training course. She then wrote a letter of apology to her father. Her journey, awards and achievements. After joining the institute, she went on an expedition each year. Her skills matured and she developed a remarkable resistance to cold and the altitude. In 1992, at the age of 21, she scaled the Mount Everest, becoming the youngest woman in the world to achieve this feat. Within a year, Santosh climbed the Mount Everest the second time, thus setting another record of being the only woman to scale Mount Everest twice. She was awarded the Padma Shri for it. Her characteristic traits. She proved herself repeatedly as she had a strong will, physical endurance, and an amazing mental toughness. Her concern for others and a desire to work together with them found a special place in the hearts of her fellow climbers. She also brought down 500 kgs of garbage from the Himalayas, which makes her a true environmentalist too. She says the feeling of being on top of the world is almost indescribable, and that unfurling the Indian flag there was truly a spiritual experience, and she felt proud as an Indian. She is a symbol of grit, dedication, and determination, who followed the path she chose for herself fearlessly and reached her desired destination with grace and dignity.